Come on, you can't figure this out. It's just a wig. It's just a wig. Come on now. You can figure this out. Oh my god, look how I'm not up to something. They gon' love me for my ambition. Hey, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I'll be trying a wig for the first time. I saw this video on TikTok the other day and I thought the price was right and it looked good on her, so you know, why not try it? Honestly, just hope me resemble Lord, what's name, Farquaad from Shrek, or have the little helmet head look there. It's like a bubble. I've always liked wigs, right? Just for the ease, you know, the simplicity of how to put it on. So I've always liked that. But I've never, oh, we're matching. Well, kinda. This is nice. Actually, like, at first when I saw how it came, I thought it would have like come in a box, so I was a bit skeptical about it because I say, you know, I don't really like the packaging. But now that I've opened it, so it says Royal Lady, alright, and this is a nice silk packaging. So let's see what the actual hair is like. What is that? What is this? Oh, I got lashes. I got lashes too. I don't know how to put them on, so I'm gonna try that another time. But this is what I really want to see. This is the wig cap. I've always, you know, just shied away from wearing wigs because I always feel as if I don't know how to install them, so whether the lace front or whatever. But when I saw how this one looked, I'm like, this is something that I think I can easily do. And it's human hair. Well, it's advertised as human hair. It feels good. Let me take off the mesh and come a bit closer. So yeah. Let's see. Whew, I am nervous. So take off the mesh. See, I like it. I must say the hair feels really smooth. No, haven't really figured out what I'm going to, like, how exactly I'm going to do my hair to, I guess I'm just going to like part it down and do 2 twists and put it under the wig cap. Then again, I really and truly can't comb my hair, so the reason why I said I picked this one is because I wanted something that I would be able to do for myself and do it well. So simplicity, and I'm really and truly hoping it works out. So let me just hurry up and try to actually part my hair and put it in 2, just twist it to put on the wig cap and tuck it under. If you're like really good at putting on wigs, these simple wigs and so, you can always just send me a message or leave a comment and let me know exactly how to do this, okay? So this is my idea of twisting. What am I going to do with it now? So twist that and wrap it. Let's see what I can do for the other side now. And the reason why I'm even trying this is because I just want to try like some different looks, you know? Like, I can't comb my hair, so most time my hair is in one, right? Hair's always like in one. So I just want something that I don't have to really put in a lot of work. I hope I'm actually doing this part correctly. Where's the wig cap? God, go with me. All right. Oh no, I'm bald. I'm bald. Whew. I know. It's time for my big moment. Inches, inches. Feel me there, Island? Okay, I don't know how to put on the wig. I honestly don't. I probably should have watched some videos to see how the girls put on wigs, but let's see from the back. If you can see, you can actually adjust it. So if your head big, you can fit it. If your head small, can fit it as well. So yes, you can adjust where this pins. But let me try and see how. Guess you grip it from the back. Somebody help me. Why am I decide to do this when me not have nobody? I don't think I'm doing this right. Let me try tuck it from the front and then pull it to the back. Is that how? No. Oh my god, no. No, no. I'm gonna try. Let me see. Like, come on, you can't figure this out. It's just a wig. It's just a wig. Come on, no. You can figure this out. Oh my god, look how I'm not up to something. My cousin, I have a cousin that can, like, she does hair really well. Cousin, if you're watching this, don't laugh. That part of the family genes, it never passed down to me at all. It didn't. It did not. And I not up the thing so much. Not even, I'm not sure if I'm even supposed to be combing it out, but do I stretch the all right. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. Now. All right, did I get it right? No, I'm Rick James, bitch. Somebody. It's fit good, Cleopatra. Oh, I think I got it right. Oh my god, I got it right. I put it on right. I think so. Let me. Okay. Let me fix. It's given Dora. Wow, this actually have a good bones.
Oh, no, baby. Yes. Ooh, stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, nowhere.
Stiff what?
Where?
No.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if maybe if I had gotten it a bit longer, if it would have looked better. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. The hair is really nice. It feels really nice. And you see, I keep combing and there's not like any shedding. It feels really nice. I must say that the texture is really nice. Right? I think I'm gonna buy another one, but I'm going to try like a curly hair. I've worn like a curly hair like sewing before, so maybe like a curly wig will actually work. I think this wig is like for $45 or $48. I got it from Amazon, like I said, and I actually shipped it here through ASAP Express. It was less than a pound, so I only paid like $500 for that from my courier. And yeah, I mean, if you want to purchase this wig or try it out, I'll be sure to add the link in my bio. I feel like maybe it's just me. I feel like I'm the one who doesn't like really know how to style it, because I really don't know much about hair, but this is something new to me and something that I just want to try out more. Looking like Sister P, okay? Power to the people. No, that's not Pimpy's thing. What is it? Cleopatra. Yeah. Portia don't got nothing on me. I don't know, maybe if I get dressed up and I feel like I'd like it, a bit more. For now, I'll comment on the texture, like it's really great. And I guess for the price, because wigs can be very expensive. So for the price, I think it's a great buy. I mean, maybe if I find the right outfit and I get dressed up to go out, I'll add pictures to my social media pages, and you can just see the wig again and decide if you want to purchase. I'm not sure if they have it in any other color, I can't remember, but I'd try another color in it. But I'm really and truly going to try like a curly hair wig, right? Probably going to go over TikTok again and see what the girls be buying and trying. All right. The more I look on it, is the more I like it. It's weird. It's giving Nicki Minaj. Okay. It's like, you know, I want to end the video, but like me, I start feel myself. You know, I want to end the video, but I don't know how to. Okay. I want to end the video. This is me actually ending the video. Okay. Is that the more of a smile as I feel myself? But yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, purchase the wig if you want. Dropping a new video soon, so I'll see you then. Okay, bye.